Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download iOS 14 on your iPhone 6 or 5s. So let's start. First open a browser and go to betaprofiles.com. On this website you'll get a beta version of iOS 14. Now scroll down and here you will see iOS 14.3 beta 2. Now tap on download and the beta profile will be downloaded. Now tap on download anyways. Then tap on allow. And a beta profile is now downloaded to your settings. And on this page, you will be given instructions on how to download iOS 14 beta. All you have to do is follow the instructions. And iOS 14 will be installed on your iPhone 6 or 5s. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.